Abigail says he's dying, Dutch. We'll have to stop someplace.
Okay, Arthur's out looking. I sent him up ahead.
If we don't stop soon, we'll all be dying. This weather, it's May. I'm just hoping the law got as lost as we did.
There! Arthur! Any luck?
I found a place where we can get some shelter. Let Davy rest while he... You know. An old mining town. Abandoned. It ain't far. Come on. Come on! Yeah! Bring him in here!
Miss Gaskell, get that fire lit, quick. Miss Jones, bring in whatever blankets we have. Mr. Pearson, see what we've got in terms of food.
Davy's dead.
There was nothing more you could have done.
What are we gonna do? We need supplies.
Well, first of all, you're gonna stay here, and you are gonna get yourself warm. Now, I sent John and Micah scouting out ahead. Arthur and I, we're gonna ride out, see if we can find one of them. And this, just for a short bit. And I don't see what other choice we have. Listen. Listen to me, all of you, for a moment. Now, we've had, well, a bad couple of days. I loved Davy, Jenny, Sean, Mac. They may be okay. We don't know. But we lost some folks. Now, if I could throw myself in the ground, in their stead, I'd do it, gladly. But we are gonna ride out, and we are gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't nobody following us through a storm like this one. And by the time they get here, well, we're gonna be long gone. We've been through worse than this before. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. We may be here for a few days. Now, all of you, get yourselves warm. Stay strong. Stay with me. We ain't done yet. Come on, Arthur.
All right. We've got some work to do.
We ain't run into them yet, so they both must have headed down the hill.
Sure. Hey, I ain't had time to ask. What really went down back there on that boat?
We missed you. That's what happened. Come on. Oh.
Hey, you need horses?
Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Smith, get yourself indoors. You need to rest that hand.
I'll live.
Get indoors, son. We need you strong.
Okay.
Ja, und damit herzlich willkommen zu einem neuen Let's Play zu Red Dead Redemption 2. Und ich hoffe, ich kann jetzt das mal wirklich die ganze Story auf YouTube laden. Und da bin ich nicht so zuverlässig.
It has to blow over soon.
Aber wie es wirklich die ganze Story und online kommt alles auf Twitch. Also wenn man hier auf YouTube folgt und mal will Livestream dabei sein und ein bisschen schreiben und lustig haben und so, dann heisst es gleich wieder auf YouTube. Einfach twitch.tv/Bartholomeus LP. Das ist noch ein Link. Ja. Das ist noch ein Link unten in die Videobeschreibung. Einfach draufklicken. Ein Follow geben. Ist ja gratis. So, wir müssen jetzt keine Ahnung was machen. Benutzer und. Okay. Aber es sieht schon hure geil aus. Tippe zweimal auf. Muss zweimal auf und halten. Um neben Dutch zu reden. Okay.
You're the only one I can rely on to stay strong right now. We got fire and shelter. That's a start.
Ja, ich muss sagen, ja, Red Dead Redemption 1 nie gespielt. Jetzt vor kurzem habe ich noch Videos geschaut zu Red Dead Redemption.
I think I see something up the path.
Ja. Und ich habe also gelesen, dass das hier jetzt gerade eigentlich vor dem Eis abspielt.
You up ahead. Who's there? Micah.
Gentlemen,
Found anything?
I think so. Found a little homestead down that way.
Okay. Anyone home?
Sure. Place is blazing with light and noise. Sounded like a party.
Let's go see.
Follow me. How's Davy doing?
He didn't make it. Nor did little Jenny.
That's too bad. Davy was a real fighter. Both of them calendar boys is.
Es funktioniert ja gar nicht, aber na.
And Mac, Sean,
We don't know.
quite a business.
Ja,
You're all right, Micah.
das Beste wäre jetzt um das so schief, genau.
Have you seen John? Hey, have you seen John, Micah?
Didn't see much of anything once this storm came in.
He hasn't seen him.
He'll be fine. Things always turn out right for that boy.
I hope Mac and Sean are still out there somewhere too. Move up, Arthur. I'll cover the rear.
Coming past.
Go on. Watch it.
Aber. Hey. Das ist jetzt gerade von hier gekommen. Wieso? Hat es jetzt keine Fußspur? Das ist Frage. Nein, ist okay. Was soll ich noch sagen? Wieso startet jetzt das auch im Winter, so wie GTA zum Beispiel? GTA war ja auch so eine verschneite Landschaft gewesen. Und nachher bist du in die Großstadt gekommen. Ist das so das gleiche Prinzip, oder was? Aha! Nein!
Sure about this, Micah?
Ah, da ist jetzt so Interaktionen, dass
I would
du
be so pleased to see your face.
das Spiel sich nicht nach einer Richtung, sondern in mehrere Richtungen kann verschieben. Nein.
Back up the hill, huddled around a fire, waiting for Daddy to put food on the table.
Schon Stil.
Said it before. We got too many mouths to feed. Well, we got a few less now, so you should be happy. That ain't fair, Arthur. I earn my share. You think it's unreasonable to expect others to do the same?
So, this house. You speak to the...
Okay, let's keep it down now, gentlemen. It's just up ahead.
Snuff and stash those lanterns, boys. Best you two lie low on this. Okay, let's head down there.
Ja, nimm doch die Laterne weg, du Penn. Zuerst sagen, ja, wir müssen die Laterne wegnehmen, nein, da sind wir noch davor. Ah, okay. Das ist Gesundheit. Haben wir jetzt hier Karte? Na ja, gut, siehst natürlich noch nicht viel. Okay.
Let's hitch up here. Whoa!
Nee, dichter Bahnbindungspass.
Let me handle this. We don't want to spook these fine people.
Folge Dutch,
Sounds
okay.
like quite the party.
You two, get yourself out of sight. One lonely man is a lot less intimidating than three nasty-looking degenerates. Micah, hide behind that wagon. Arthur, you take that old shed on the left and stay low, both of you.
Dann sehen wir es da rein.
What are you doing?
Gang doch rein, du.
Inside the shed.
Ja, jetzt müssen wir zu links und umsäckeln, ist das die Ende.
Arthur, what are you doing?
Ja, chillst du Siri. Und dann der Pad nicht drüber klettern. Ist das ja nicht mein Problem, oder? Ja, ich bin ja dran.
Hello? Shut up, Billy. Excuse me.
Ali.
Hello? Oh, well, hello, friend.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into some trouble up the way, lost in the storm. Gentlemen,
We can't help you, mister.
I got folks
Arthur,
dying on the trail.
Arthur, we got a problem. Folks, there's a corpse right here.
Now, I just
Arthur,
need some
there's a
cans
body
of food
in the
or
wagon.
something.
I hear you. Just
Gentlemen,
keep your eyes on Dutch.
please.
I think you should go now, buddy.
Ja, also wie ihm geht, ja. Easy.
Now, friend, I ain't asking for much. Please, I am.
So ein schöner Headshot, man, Bad. Und schon geht's wieder los, ist das nicht geil? Komm, weg bist. So, jetzt stirbt aus hier. Ring ist noch ein. Wo ist er jetzt her?
Didn't seem to be going too well.
Wo ist jetzt das hier her? Oh, der Ring.
Micah, go bring the horses closer to the house. Arthur, let's go search the cabin.
Sind ja nicht okay. Ist ja armselig.
Smells like a party in here.
Turn the place upside down.
Hat in der Nähe von Gegenständen
Grab as
4
many
auf
supplies as you
10
can. We need the essentials. Food,
Okay.
medicine, whiskey. You should eat something now. Get your strength up for the ride back.
Ah, das ist... Ah, okay. Habe ich ja, du siehst. Aha, das ist das Essex.
I don't believe it.
It's a strange one, all right. Maybe they're hiding up here, too. There's a big price on Colm O'Driscoll's head.
Jetzt kann sicher mit.
Nearly as
Nein,
big
ne?
as the one on yours.
Was?
Coleman dead is about the only thing me and Uncle
Aha, ja, wow. Ah, Bohnen, schau. Da unten hat es noch mehr gesehen, ich von da aus. Ah, nicht dort aus.
Place is dry and warm. We could maybe move the women and Jack down here.
maybe
Da nehmen wir jetzt die Bohnen mit.
get back. I don't really want us to split up.
Da sind Pfirsiche und da sind Pfirsiche. Es ist zwar wüst, aber wir nehmen es mit. Da sind Mais und da sind Mais.
I'm going to start packing the horses. You keep looking.
Geht es so wieder darum, Zeug, also das musst du essen damit, oder ist das einfach für die Gesundheit oder so? Das weiss ich nicht. Da hat es auch noch Sachen. Das ist jetzt nichts mehr. Ja, Ring angeschlagen, ist okay. Ja, es ist die Steuerung wie im GTA, von dem her. Bekommen wir schon her. Es ist jetzt so nichts mehr, das ist da. Nichts. Na, raus. Kann ich da wieder raus?
Micah, Arthur, keep looking for stuff. Arthur, go see if there's anything in
Ah, ich habe
that
sogar
barn.
Deko-Perspektive.
Micah, you search the cabin, see what we missed.
Sure.
Suche die Scheune. Ist die da hinten? Ja, moin. Oh! Hure Schrock. Ja. Darf jetzt gegen den schlägeln? Das ist geil. Wow, wow, bam, bam, bam.
What's going on?
This guy just jumped me.
Oh, did he now?
Ja, fett rum.
Sneaky little bastard. Should I kill him?
No. Not yet. Find out what they're doing here and where Colm is.
Oh, this son of a bitch will talk.
Zuerst
This
einschlagen.
Colm O'Driscoll?
Dann fragen wir ihn.
With the others. At an old mining camp southwest of here. Near the lake.
What are you bastards doing? Why are you up here?
We're fixing to rob some train. Gonna blow the tracks. I don't know more than that, I swear.
Ah, rien.
Well, I would say it looks like you have this, Arthur. Do what you want with him. I don't care. But bring that horse when you're done. Oh.
I don't know anything else. Please. Please.
Nee, ich mache jetzt mal nichts.
Get the hell out of here. Go.
Die anderen sind ja tot, von dem her kann er nicht mehr viel machen. Er ist ein bisschen aufgeschmissen. Wo ist meine Waffe? Hä? Ah, da. Ah, alles. Hebe den Hut. Das bestimmt wieder aufheben, damit ist. Ja. Glückwunsch. Hoi.
Whoa, easy.
Komm. Du wirst jetzt gemetzelt. Und dann gibt es schönes, feines Rossantegot. Lecker.
Figured he won't get far in this anyway.
That looks like a decent horse. You should keep him. Tie him up over there, Arthur.
Was ist da? Ja, hat es doch drinnen gelassen. Das wäre ein bisschen wärmer als der Rat.
Micah, what the hell do you think you're doing?
Was ist da los?
Oh, the guy found in the cellar. Wild thing, ain't ya?
Leave her alone.
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't, Micah. Look at her. Miss. Are you...
Oh, you fool! Micah!
Miss. Now, it is gonna be okay. We mean you.
Ja, ist alles
No
gut.
harm.
Ja,
Miss.
nochmal.
Come on. It'll be okay. We need to get out of here, and quick. Come on now. Oh,
Ja, es ist wenigstens warm, komm.
you okay, miss?
They came 3 days ago. And my husband, they...
Miss, you are safe now. And you can't stay here. You come with us. Arthur.
Miss, it's okay. We're bad men. We ain't them. It's okay. Get on. We'll keep you safe until you figure out what you want to do.
What's your name, miss? Miss.
Adler.
Adler.
Sadie Adler. Mrs. He was my husband.
Hey! Somebody's coming! Looks like it's Dutch. Hey, everybody, Dutch is back! How'd you get on?
Micah found a homestead, but he weren't the first. Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there, but there is more about, apparently. Scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler, Miss Tilly, Miss Karen, would you warm her up? Give her a drink or something? And Mrs. Adler, it's gonna be okay. You're safe now. They turned her into a widow. Animals. I need some rest. I haven't slept in 3 days.
You're over here. Miss O'Shea will show you the way. Mr. Morgan, we put you in a room over here.
Thank you, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell, you're with the fellas over there.
What? How come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies?
Get yourself to bed.